Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you or showing you how to change language in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is to log into your Gmail account and then click this setting button. Then click see all settings. Then immediately you'll see the language part here in the general. So what you're going to do is click the drop down box and select your preferred language that you want your Gmail to be like. For example, I'll be clicking Filipino here since I'm from the Philippines, and then I'll be saving the changes so that it will reload my Gmail. And here you can see that almost all the icons or the settings in my Gmail is now in Filipino language. You can also set it on the other types of language. As you can see, Gmail is very open to every language in the world. Like for example, they have the Afrikaans. You can also choose from English United Kingdom or English USA. There are a lot of languages available on Gmail. So that's basically it on how to change language in Gmail. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please leave it a like, comment down below, and share it to your friends. You can also do subscribe and check our channel. See you on our next video. Bye!